Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this orc filter on Instagram. So this is the filter, okay? To get this effect on Instagram, what you have to do, just visit the creator profile. Johnny August is the creator of this effect. You can follow him to unlock these filters to your Instagram camera tray. So check in his filter gallery. He's having lots of filters. So this is the filter orc. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see link to the filters. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect on Instagram. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, see you on the next video.